In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get Discord alerts of NFT mints both for Ethereum and Polygon collections. Here are some examples of notifications you will get after following this tutorial. Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel from Boto.io, where you can build your own bots for free with no coding skills. So first thing, let's go to Boto.io and log into the app. If you don't have an account yet, just create one. It's free. Now click on the recipes menu. There you can find bot templates, which are almost ready to use. Then scroll down and choose the recipe NFT Mints to Discord bot. So in this page, we will set up your bot. Before we start, let me tell you two basic things about Botos. 1. All Botos are made of blocks. 2. Each block does something for a bot. For example, the left block that you see here tracks mints, and the right block sends messages to Discord. Simple, right? Now let's start by setting up the NFT Events Block. As we want to track mints from a collection, we need to set up the block with something that identifies that collection. That's why the address type selected is contract, because an NFT collection is always related to a smart contract. So let's find the collection's contract address. To do that, enter the OpenSea page of the collection and then click on any of the NFTs. Here in the NFT page, scroll down and open the details section. Here you'll see the contract address. Click on it. Now in this page, just click on the copy button besides the address. And back to Boto's page, paste it in the address field. Now we'll set up the Discord block. Here we have to choose a channel ID. This tells Boto to which channel it should send notifications. But before doing that, if this is your first time setting up a bot with Boto, you need first to invite Boto into your Discord server. You only have to do this once per server. So let's do that. Click on the Add button to add a new channel. Here we are at Boto's Knowledge Center. In step 1, open this link in another tab or window. Then select your server and authorize Boto. Cool. This was the part that you only needed to do once per server. You can close this window now. Now in step 2, you will authorize Boto to message a specific channel. If you want to message other channels, just repeat the following steps. First, enter the channel where you want to get the alerts. Then enter /AUTH followed by the email that you used to log into Boto. Then hit enter. Great! Success! Now notice this number. This is the channel ID. Now let's go back to the Boto setup page. Then click on the button Refresh List and select the channel ID you just saw a few seconds ago. Now you're done setting up your Boto. Let's make a quick test then. Click this button on the Discord block. This sends a test message to the channel. Remember, this is not a real alert. This is just a test message. Now back to Boto. Let's click here to save the bot. And click there to turn it on. Congratulations! You made it! Your bot is up and running. Now just wait for the mints to happen and you will get alerts in your Discord server. And before we finish things here, you can check your newly created Boto at the page My Botos. You can also check the history of bot runs in the dashboard page. If you want to create right now your own mint alert bot, or if you want to learn how to customize your bot, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.